Terry. You're watching Crafty Clefty, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you. And I am repairing things. I grabbed out my box, moving box, and this was broke. So I repaired it, and if you want to see how I repaired it, then stay tuned and watch the video. Hello? Now, I am just going to do a simple repair, and it is the swing I made last year, and during the move it did not get wrapped up very good, and well, it kind of came apart. So I'm going to go and fix this, and well, I'll be right back. Now I'm so far away I have to get up to turn it off and on. But let's see. But I'm also going to do Facebook Live. I'll be right back. Now, thank you for joining me. I am going to repair this swing set. I think I've got the swing pretty level, and I am going to put some E6000 on, and then I'm going to put some hot glue on. Then I will worry about the dowel. Squeeze this out. Now we all know how moving can be. There's always casualties in moving. But this one wasn't too bad. Get this even here. Get it even on both sides. Now, my hot glue. Stretch, yeah. Oh, not me. I think that's okay. Put this on top. Oh well, let's see. Well, I tell you what, putting this on isn't doing too good. Let's see. Now, I use E6000 glue here, and I'm using hot glue. Let me move this out. And the other will dry. Now this is, I'm not going to even try selling this. This is my own personal thing. I may have to go over it with like maybe a little paint. See what that looks like over here. Doesn't look bad over here. Now, this is a little slanted, but that's okay. We'll just put the dowel a little further back. Now, what I did last year with our hair problem, these dowels, the hair is only on the front and just a tiny bit on the back. So I put just a little bit of cotton back here to give it a more full look and make it look like she's not bald. And so she still has her glue back here. And I changed the rubber band for a little ponytail holder. Okay. And I'm going to set her down. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to do it a little differently. Again, this time. Gluing her on. Glue on here. Now it's just gluing down the dress. And you won't see that part. Move the hair over and then stick her in here. So our butt is just a little bit over the swing. Try to get her in the middle here. And I probably should put a little hot glue on there. But push back for now. Okay? I'm going to put a little more hot glue on this side. Lift that dress up a little bit. I don't know how well you guys can see this. Now I'm going to make it so she's not going to be I'm thinking that's good. Okay. Now let's see. And out. That's on her shoulder maybe. And this one maybe okay. Now, I'm going to put some Well, I don't know what happened to my eyeball, but have her. And let's see if I move her arm out. Let's see. I do that. No, that's not gonna work. But here we go. One leg up a little bit. And once she dries, that should be sufficient. Let's see. Well, that's not sufficient. But once she dries, I am going to, I had her nice and even last time. Maybe if I move her over just a wee little bit and attach that onto her. Move this over. Attach it to her arm. Now she is going to be like she's turned a little bit, which a lot of kids are when they're swinging. And that should help her not to go kaput. So, okay, I think that is just about it for now. And see her swinging. Okay, she's not falling over. And I thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to watch. Don't forget to follow my page. And thank you so much. And I think we're just about done. But later on, I'll may put a little more blue coloring on her, on the swingset. Okay, thank you so much. Get up here. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Okay. Yeah, I just turned Facebook off. And I want to say thank you for watching. And there she is. We all know how things are when we move. No. So, there we go. Now I'll fix her up later on. And thank you so much for watching. And thank you. Bye-bye. I've got one more thing coming up, so don't go away. Hello, I hope you enjoyed the video you just saw, and I hope it's inspired you to do a craft and have fun with it. And mine are ideas that you can do, and I hope you come back and watch my other future videos. And I do have a lot of past videos that you can watch, give you some ideas of what you can, other things you can do. And I've got crafty clefty crafts, crafty clefty motivationals, and crafty clefty greetings. And hope to see you next time. Hope you like it enough that you subscribe, like, and interact. And remember, most of all, have fun. That's what this video is all about. Fun. Okay, I'll see you next time. Hopefully. Bye-bye.